Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the UE myBoom 3. Now you can pick this up at studio.ultimateears.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $180. Now I know what you're saying. Didn't you already review the UE Boom 3? And the answer is yes and no. Yes, I reviewed the UE Boom 3. You can find this on Amazon for $150. Comes in a few different colors. I'll drop the links up in the description. And no, I haven't reviewed the UE myBoom 3 because this one is a little bit different because it's fully customizable. Let me show you what I mean by that. Now you're going to head over to studio.ultimateears.com. If you already see from the picture, it comes in a bunch of different colors. Now you can design it or you can hit I'm feeling lucky. So before we design one, let's take it over to I'm feeling lucky. Check this out. Hit me. Now this is one of the standard blues. Yo, you got the cheetah skin. You got the jungle pattern. You got green. Different color trims. Different color buttons. You got red. You got pink, purple, denim. Now this denim one is sick. All right, so now let's start from the beginning real quick. All right, so let's design one together. First, we'll click on Design Yours. Now here's the speaker. Now you got a bunch of different fabric patterns to choose from. You got Night, Lagoon, Sunset, Ultraviolet, Forest, Seashell, Frozen Kingdom, Berry Fun, NY Kitty, Blue Dreams, Marble Marvel, and Jungle Bell. Now my man cave is kind of like a jungle, a lot of bricks, a lot of plants, so I'm going with Jungle Bell. Next up, we got the end caps. Now all the same colors on the bottom. Let's try Sunset. So now we got the red end caps. Next up, you got the volume buttons. All right, so for the buttons, let's do Sunset also. Match everything up. Next up, we got the spine. Now for the spine, we could do Cloud, Ultraviolet. Let's do Forest Green. Next up, you got the loop on the top. All right, you could do Cloud. You could do Lagoon. You could take it over to Denim. But let's do Forest Green. And lastly, insert your text on the side. All right, so write whatever words you want, make it fully yours. Then we hit next, all set up, click buy now. Now the myBoom 3 is going to run you $180. The regular Boom 3 is going to run you $150. That extra $30 that you're paying is for full customization. This makes the perfect gift. All right, so let me grab a little unboxing knife and let's check this out. Shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Okay, UE myBoom 3. Let's go through the features real quick. Bold, 360 degree, true and balanced sound so you can hear every note. Now this one has the magic button on the top. I'll explain that in a second. Party up. Now you can pair two together all the way up to 150. Okay, you get a 15-hour battery life. That fabric is dust and water resistant. It does float. And you get a 2-year warranty. All right, so we got Spider-Man on deck. Here we go. One more on the bottom. Okay, let's slide this out. Did I get that bottom one? Okay, let me calm down. Okay, now inside, same presentation as the Boom 3. That funky pattern. Okay, let's open this up. Ultimate ears on the front. Inside, now check this out. Now I forgot which one I ordered. I know I went with Forest. But instead of doing Sunset, I did Forest on the top. Let's get that out of here. Plastic. I did the black buttons. I did the Forest Green spine, Forest Green loop, and look at the words. Flossy Carter. Like I said, this makes the perfect gift. Give somebody a customized speaker with their name on it. They're going to love it. On the bottom, you got your track inserts. Now that's for the wireless charger. I got one of those on deck. I'll show you what that looks like. Got your power button on the top. There's your magic button.
Please download the Boom and MegaBoom app to experience all of the features of your speaker.
voice prompts. That voice sounds real clean. The magic button. Now you can set this to how you want, but this is basically if you have a playlist, you can activate your playlist from the top. Beautiful looking speaker. Now let's see, did I order two of the exact same ones? Rah. I think I did. Rah. Why wouldn't I? Rah. I'm trying not to activate beast mode today, but it looks like that's what's going to happen. Okay, yep. So I ordered two of the same ones. Why wouldn't I? Look at that forest pattern. This is going to look so dope in the man cave. Customized words on each one. Get a close up on that. These are so sick. Now, like I said, I did a full review, so I'll leave that up in the description, but I will do a little sound test, and I'll show you that wireless charger. Talk amongst yourselves. One more thing I wanted to mention, now with the Boom 3 and the myBoom 3, it comes with this flat micro USB charging cable. No charging brick. Now, if you buy the MegaBoom 3, it comes with the cable and the brick. The Boom 3 and the myBoom 3, just a flat charging cable. All right, so here's the wireless charging dock. You can buy this separately for $30. Let me show you how it works. You're just going to line it up, slap it right on. Just like that. Now, if you notice, you see that light on the front? It's flashing. That means it's charging up. Once I move the speaker off, the light disappears. Put the speaker back on. Charging up. $30. This is a must-have accessory. Now, once you power up the speaker, download the UE app. This is what it's going to look like. Now, from the app, you got your settings on the top. That's how you're going to do your updates. You got a power button. You got volume up and down. You got a full EQ. So you got voices, bass jump, custom, standard, cramp spaces. You can control all your music, and you can pair up to 150 speakers. All right, so let's do a little sound test with one speaker. All right, here we go. Max volume. Full 360-degree sound. Let's go. All right, so now let's try two speakers paired together. Just go to the app. Once you turn on the second speaker, you'll see it on the bottom. Drag it to the top, and you can create a stereo pair, or you can have left and right channels. Here we go. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the UE myBoom 3 a major go. Now, the Boom 3 was already a dope speaker, but with the myBoom 3, the fact that you can fully customize it takes these to the next level. This makes the perfect gift. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.